Cooking is creative. Well, if you come up with your own recipes, it is. That's what I want to encourage you to do today. The more you do creative things, the more your creativity will grow. Also, if you think of cooking as creative, you might fall in love with cooking and start doing more cooking at home. How do you come up with your own recipes? You start with a recipe. You should try my new recipe, Spicy Salmon Salad, that I just put on my website. Then, the next time you make it, you should change one thing. That's a new recipe. Moreover, the next time you make my Spicy Salmon Salad, you could change one more thing. Now cooking is creative. Now you are working on your creativity. The more creativity you add into your day, the more creative you will become, and the more you will change the world. Check out the recipe that inspired this post and start making cooking creative today.